Hi everyone. So today's DIY is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be more of a meditation and something that I want you to try for yourself as well as if you have children. This is a really good resource for your children. So this is actually a meditation that I'm doing by Kristi, and she has founded a beautiful app which will be launching soon called Wondergrade. If you're not following her, I'm going to link her Instagram profile as well as her website below, so that way you can access that. It has amazing tools for children as well as for adults. So if you're facing any anxiety issues, any fear, safety issues, these are all really good meditations and resources to be able to have on hand. And I know I use these regularly with my kids, and sometimes you might not think that it's not working. Right in the middle of a temper tantrum, as they're starting to kind of get used to it, it doesn't always work immediately. But I know I've seen progress that after they're kind of composing themselves back again, they'll ask me, Mommy, rub my ears, or they'll like rub their ears themselves, or they'll do some of the hand pushing themselves. So it's all kind of grows on them slowly. And these are all just tools that you can basically equip yourself with, so that way you're able to understand and express your emotions better, no matter what age we are, because this is something that we need to understand ourselves first before we can ask others to do the same. So the meditation that we're going to do today is just a small one where it's called Drawing a Circle of Safety and Love Meditation. What I'm going to do actually is complement it with essential oils. So one of the things that I love using with kids as well as everyone in my family is essential oils. One that I find goes really well with this is the blend called Brave. And this is actually a kid's blend. However, I use it myself. It's able to be used by anyone really, but it is already pre-diluted and ready and safe to use for children as well. So this has a blend of, it has some orange in it, it has some osmanthus flower in it, and some cinnamon. So you're kind of getting all of those different aromas, and it is a courage blend. So this is kind of perfect where you can have the child either rub it on their wrists before they start the meditation, even just in the palm of their hand, and have them hold it in front of their face, or just even like around behind their ears a little bit. So that way they're getting the aroma as they're either listening to this meditation or you're reading it out to them. So I will put the exact meditation up on the screen so that way you do have a reference to it. Again, definitely check out Kristi's Instagram page where she has all these resources, and the app is available for pre-order. It is launching this month, so definitely go check it out. It is an amazing resource that you are definitely going to want to have in your homes. So let's get right into the meditation. Go ahead and get comfy, either sitting in a comfy spot, lying down, or holding hands with a loved one. Drawing a circle of safety and love meditation. Think of a person or animal who makes you feel safe and loved. Do you see them in your mind? Imagine that they are smiling at you. Imagine you are close to them, maybe sitting on their lap or laying down next to them, cuddling. You feel cozy and safe. You feel warm. Now in your mind, imagine that you are drawing a big circle all around you and that person with your favorite color marker. Choose whatever color you love. Do you see the circle? There is a lot happening outside of your circle. Maybe there is a sad or angry feeling out there. Maybe outside your circle feels lonely or scary. But inside your circle, with your special person, there is only love. Nothing can get inside your circle. You are safe and you are loved. You can stay in your circle for as long as you want. This is your very special tool, just for you. So I hope you enjoy that meditation. You can always go ahead and repeat it a couple times. I find that it works best when it is repeated a couple times, and that way it just kind of gives that um, ability to kind of ground, settle, calm, and it's so beautiful. So definitely go check out Wondergrade, and I will probably be doing at least one more meditation from her up coming up in the next couple of weeks. So if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we hope to keep you guys healthy, happy, and fit with a lot more tools and resources to use in your homes. Thank you. Bye.